Okay, people, fixing to put some shocks on the old van. I had to order some rough country lifted shocks put on it because it's lifted so high, regular shocks just won't work. I ordered some off of eBay, dirt cheap. Man, they may be wrong, I don't know. But these little short ass things come in, and it's too much hassle to send them back. I'm hoping they'll fit on something else one day. If not, a friend might can use them. I don't know. Don't care really right now. But I'm gonna install these rough country, and latch come off, holding it so it's kind of pressed in there. Let me start with this one. Trying to hold phone and do this with one hand. But these is pretty, you get two of them for $100 a pair. And they're pretty daggone beefy. It's a big tail cylinder there. It's all right for $100, I think. Alright, let's see what kind of parts we had. Washers. Alright, that's one side. That's the other. It's a good thing I got bolts myself, because they didn't come with it. I guess I'm going to start with the passenger side first. It's easier to do. The driver's side, you can't get to the top, so I had to end up cutting the other one off with the Sawzall. So we want to see what happens. Like that. Yep. All right, let's see what happens. See if I can push this in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Might be quicker than that, ain't it? Alright, see if I can push it in again. Ain't quite quick enough. I'm sure there's an easier way to do this. Lord have mercy. Almost. Get a pry bar. All right. Having a look out for my dog too. It's like watching a youngin'. Good enough. All right, so on to the top. Shit, this here's a little harder to get. Come on now. Oh, this here's being a pain in the ass. Get your. I gotta get all down in the way. Of course, it's jacked all cot-sided on top. And I ain't fast enough to do it. Get it. Let's see. Oh yeah, something wrong with that. It went way too easy. Come on now. It's been one of them days already. All right, as you can see, you can't hardly get your hand up in there. Unless I can go through there, but most definitely can't hold this phone and do it too. So I'm gonna have to put the phone down. But it's another step ahead. I guess after the shocks here, I'll start doing something about the front sway bar. Okay, I got the shocks installed. Yes. It looks kind of shady looking, but I did it just to where I could move it around in the yard. I'm going to buy a bracket that slides into that groove, and see if I can focus for you. Slides into that groove and weld it up in here somewhere, or here, and just run a short line from here to there, because I don't think I'm be able to find one like a van runs that has both of these lines, one here and one back there, then plus here. So that's where I'm running into on that. But I love to find a 3/16 brake T that actually like a bun fitting that screws up in there and clamps. I don't know if I'll be able to. I'm gonna keep on hunting for one, but that's another issue, another day. I think right now I'm going to, the whole front end needs to come to the driver's side a little bit. So I think I'm going to adjust the panhand bar and see if I can move it over a little bit that way. So let's try that. I don't know where to put this damn camera at. All right. Okay. I got the panhand bar shortened. I couldn't do it and hold the camera too, but shorten it, and it drawed the whole front end over to the left side. I don't think I've done it much, probably a ½ inch, but I just want to do it because I was tired of looking at it. You look at it and tell it was over to the right a little bit. So now I'm gonna lock the locks back on and tighten them up, and I'll probably call it a day. Because I need to start on the rear end. Here's the rear end. It's 2008 F250. And he might have told me 350, I can't remember, but it's single rear wheel. But I got it geared 410, same as the front. I just got to go through the process of gearing it, or not gearing it, but setting it up. And there's another guy on YouTube I've been watching, and I guess I'm just going to watch his video and do step by step the way he did it. He's about the only one I've seen that I like the way he's doing it. He seems like he knows what he's doing. Talks like it anyway. So that's my next project. Might start on it Saturday. It's supposed to be raining Saturday, so Saturday be a good day to do something like that. And maybe next week we could get it put up under. I got some blocks I'm gonna build, 6-inch blocks to put on between the mounts and the springs, just for the time being. Most definitely not going to drive it with 6-inch blocks. Some people do. I don't really care to. Rough Country's got a 6-inch rear springs for like $400. So that's probably the way I'm going to go. But I'm going to use the blocks to get it all set up, get it in there, see how it goes. But yeah, that's my project for the weekend. I got a lot of projects going on. So, all right, I'm gonna get this stuff tightened up and have me a cold Michelob Ultra. I'll see y'all.